Hey, welcome back. So today we're going to be looking at basic multiplication algorithms that we apply when our mental strategies are kind of not ideal and don't really work very well. So in this particular example, let's go through how we would set this up. So we write this kind of in columns with a line underneath, okay? And the idea is we're going to go vertically 2 times 5, 2 times 4, and then sum our results down here before doing 10 times 5, 10 times 4, and eventually adding them both together. And you'll see what I mean when I get started. So let's get started with this. First up, 2 times 5. Well, 2 times 5 is 10. So we drop down the 0, but we always, anything that goes into the 10 columns, we carry over to the next part. So we've done 2 times 5, we've got 10, put down 0, carry the next digit over, which is a 1. Then we can do 2 times 4, well 2 times 4 is 8, but then we add on this remainder or this extra number here at the end. So 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. Right, now we're done with that, we're doing tens. But when we move over to the tens column, rather than doing 10 times 5 and 10 times 4, what we can do instead is drop down a 0 and do 1 times 5 and then 1 times 4. So 1 times 5 is just 5 and 1 times 4 is just 4. Alright, the next result is we add these both together and we do these in columns as well. So 0 plus 0 is just 0. 9 plus 5 is 14. So put down 4, carry the 1, and then we just add those together. It becomes 5. So our result of that is 5 4. Okay, let's set up this one. So it's 89 times 27. So let's do 89 multiplied by 27, making sure to keep everything aligned. And then we can do 7 times 9, which is going to be 63. Put down the 3, carry 6. And then we do 7 times 8, which is 56, and we'll add the 6, which is going to be 62. So put down 6, 50. Alright? After that, we're going to look at the 20s, but we're not going to do 20, we're just going to put down the 0 and do 2 times 9. Well, 2 times 9 is 18, put down the 8, carry the 1. Then we do 2 times 8, which is 16, add on our 1, which is 17, 1 and 7. Okay, then we add these both together in columns, do 3 plus 0 is 3, 2 plus 8 is 10, down 0, carry the 1, 7 plus 7 is 14, and then add those together and we get 2. Okay, so the idea behind these algorithms is that no matter what, as long as we follow the algorithm all the way through, we won't enter a problem. We will get it right. Okay? The whole point is just to follow the process of it. Alright, here are some practice problems for you to give a go, and then we'll solve them together. So just pause the video now. Okay, so let's get started by rewriting our problem. So it's 312 multiplied by 34. Okay, 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Alright, next one. It's 30, so put down 0. We do 3 times 2 is 6. And 3 times 1 is 3. And 3 times 3 is 9. Right, so add both these together. 8 plus 0 is 8. 4 plus 6 is 10, becomes 0, carry the 1. This becomes a 3, 3 plus 3, 6, and 1 plus 9 is 10. So that should be your answer at the end of that. Let's look at B. So 765 multiplied by 56. But 6 times 5 is 30, put down the 0, carry the 3. 6 times 6 is 36, plus 3 is 39, put down the 9, carry the 3. 6 times 7 is 42, plus 3 is 45. Alright, next one. we're going to do 50. So put down 0, 5 times 5 is 25, put down 5, carry the 2, 5 times 6 is 30, plus the 2 is 32. So we put down the 2 and carry the 3, and 5 times 7 is 35, plus the 3 is 38. Alright, now add them all together, we get 0 plus 0 is 0, 9 plus 5 is 14, put down 4, carry the 1, this becomes a 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, 4 plus 8 is 12, carry the 1, and then this becomes 4, and we end up with 42,800. Okay, so pretty basic idea here. Just make sure to follow each step over and over again until you're finished with the problem. That's the whole point of the algorithm. So I hope this was helpful, and I will see you in the next video.